Russian expert reveals here's how to restore immunity in just 15 seconds. Do you have a problem with a weak immune system? Professor Dr. Sergey Bubnovsky, a Russian expert, offers you the simplest solution ever. Every night when you get home after a hard working day, fill the bathtub with 10-15 centimeters quite cold, icy water. Do not add any hot water. Then enter barefoot in the tub and tap with your feet in the icy water for only 10-15 seconds. You can even dance to some lively music. Then exit the bathtub and wipe your feet with a rough towel and put on wool socks. Repeat this every night and you will significantly strengthen your immunity. If you have already got the flu, that is just a reason more for you to decide and strengthen your immune system. In this case, tap barefoot in the cool water every 4 hours.